If you are looking to learn CAD softwares, you have tuned into the right channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. This is your friend Amit. Let us start today's tutorial.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Now in this tutorial we will try to make the circle command. Now the circle command can be made with the help of the center radius method, the center diameter method, 2-point circle, 3-point circle and the TTR method. Now circle can be located on the draw toolbar. The shortcut key for the circle command is C. Now if I will press C in the command line, so I can make a circle. Now you can see as I have pressed C in the command line, you can see that it is asking for the center point of the circle. Now the center point of the circle can be the origin, it can be non-origin. For example, in this case I want to draw the circle at the origin, that is the 0, 0 of UCS icon. So I will enter the value as 0, 0 and I will press enter. Now after pressing enter, it will ask me for two values in the command line. You can see that if I want to specify the radius, so I will enter the value directly, or if I want to give the diameter, so I have to press D first. In this case I am making the circle with the radius, so I will enter directly the value of radius as 50. Now for example, suppose I am having a block like this which is starting from the origin, but it is having a 50-50 length, and I want to make a circle at the center of this one. So the center of the rectangle will be 25, 25 as the square is of 50 square units. So if I want to make a circle directly at the center, so I will press C and I will press enter, and I will select 25, 25 from the command line. So I can make a circle directly, and I can give the value of the diameter also by pressing D in this time. So I will press D and I will press enter, and I can give the value of diameter directly. So a circle with diameter 10 has been made at the center of the rectangle. Also, if I am giving the dimension, you can see that phi is representing the dimension of the circle. Now we will see the 2-point circle method. In the 2-point circle method, suppose I am not knowing the distance between the two endpoints, so I can use the 2-point circle method. Now you can see a block like this, and I am not knowing the two endpoints or the distance between the 2 points, so I can use a 2-point circle. For that I will press C in the command line and I will press enter. Now as I have pressed enter, you can see in the brackets in the command line that it is highlighting the 2-point method. For 2-point method I will press 2P. 2P is the shortcut key for circle of 2 point. Again I will press enter, and I will select the two endpoints of the line. In this case I will left click on the first point and I will do a left click on the second point also. So in this case what I can do, I can make a circle with the help of two endpoints. Now suppose I am having 3 lines like this, and I want to make a circle with the help of 3 endpoints in this case. So I can make a circle with the help of 3 points also. This is called as the 3-point circle method. Again for that I have to press C in the command line. I will press enter. For 3P, for 3-point, 3P is the shortcut key. So I will press 3P and I will press enter. Now I will select the first line, or the first point. Now as I will select the second point, the circle will be made. So in the third point it will be automatically getting fitted into the point. So this is called as the method of the making circle with the help of the 3-point circle method. Now in the last method of the circle, it is called as the TTR method. In the TTR method we are making the circle with the help of two tangents. Now TTR method stands for tangent radius method. Now you can see in the graphics area I am having a angular line here. I want to make a circle which will be tangent to these two lines. So for that, do follow the steps what I am making. So I will press C and enter. For TTR you can see the option that is 10 radius. Now T is the shortcut key for the TTR method. So I will press T and again I will press enter. Now remember, you have to select the two lines one by one. So I will do a left click on the first line. I will do a left click on the second line. After doing two left clicks on the two different lines, now you can see in the command line it is asking for the radius of the circle which has to be made inside the two lines. So I will enter the value of the radius as 15 and I will press enter. So you can see that the dimension of the circle or the radius will be 15 in this case, and the circle is touching the two lines. So this is called as the circle with the tangent radius method. Now we will try to make this drawing with the help of the polar method. I have discussed the polar method in the previous tutorial. Now to start these types of block drawings, always specify a start point of the drawing. So I am specifying the start point, you can see on the screen, as this one. For that I will press L again in the shortcut key. Suppose I want to start this drawing from the origin, so I will press L and enter. Now do remember that I will use the polar method, that is the angular method. The formula for that is @distance less than angle. Now my first coordinate will be 0, 0 and I will press enter. Now you can see that the drawing is now arbitrary, again rotating in the XY direction. Now do remember the formula, that is shift at the rate. Now I am going at a distance of 10 less than the 0 degrees. I am going in the positive X direction, so the value will be 0 degrees. Now again at the rate. Now I am going towards the top side. You can see I have specified the start point. Now I am going to the top, so next coordinate will shift at the rate 5 less than 90. Now again if you go towards the right side, you can see the distance first and then the angle. Now I have to repeat the symmetricity at the downwards direction also. Now you can see the dimension to the left of the side, it is giving 5 units, so it will be 5 less than. Now I am going towards the negative Y direction, so in this case the value will be 270 degrees. Again I will press shift at the rate. Now again I am going towards the right side with a distance of 10 less than 0 degrees. Now I have to go in this case a distance of 15 units on the top side, so it will be shift at the rate 15 less than 90 degrees. Now what I will do, I will complete this lower block first, that is the C block, you can see. Now the overall distance, if you can locate it here, the overall distance will be the summation of 30 plus 10 plus 10, so it will be 50. So shift at the rate 50 less than, it will be 180 degrees. Now since I am going towards the negative X direction, so it will be 180 degrees. And to bring it back at again, I will press shift at the rate, the distance is 15 less than 270 degrees. Now my once one block is completed, so I will press escape key. Now again I will select the line command, so I will press L and enter. Now I have to go to the point as I am specifying in the drawing. Now you see that I have to go to this point, so either I can click on that point or I can enter the coordinates also. If I want to enter the value of coordinates, so what will be the value of coordinates? It will be the total distance of X. So suppose the total distance of X will be 30 plus 10 plus 10, so it will be 50, comma, it will be in the Y direction, it is 15, so 50 comma 15, I will press enter. You can see that I have directly gone to that coordinate. Or what you can do, you can type L again in the command line, press enter, or you can go to the cursor and do a left click over there directly. Now again you can work for that method, that is the angular method, shift at the rate. Now in this case the distance is 40 less than, in the top direction we are going, as the distance will be 90 degrees. Again shift at the rate, the distance will be 40 less than 180 degrees, negative X direction. Shift at the rate 40 less than 270 degree. Now to again come out, I will press escape key and I will press enter. Now you can see in the drawing that I want to make the small rectangle, that is a length of 40 by 10. So the 40 by 10 length rectangle now I will make with the help of the polar method again. So again I will press L, enter. Now I will click on this line here, see. Now I can go to a left sides of a distance of 5. Why? Because I will subtract 40 from 30, so 5 will be the gap from both the sides. So it will be shift at the rate 5 less than 180 degrees. Again negative x direction, so it will be 180 degrees. Now I have to go lower, so the distance in this case is 10 less than, now the lower angle is 270 degree. Again I will press enter. Now on the left side you can see the distance, it is 30, so it will be 30 less than 180 degrees, and to go up again, so it will be the distance 10 less than 90 degrees. So in this way I can make the rectangular block also. Now what I can do, I want to make a rectangle of 30 by 20 that is situated to the extreme left side in this case. So what I will do, again I will press L, I will press enter, and I will click on this point. Now again I have to go a lower distance of 5. So I will press shift at the rate 5 less than, now in the negative y direction 270 degrees. Now I have to go to the negative x direction with a distance of 20 with the help of polar method. So it will be shift at the rate 20 less than 180 degrees. See. Now I have to go to the vertical y direction. So again it is 30. So it will be 30 less than 270 degrees. And I have to make the drawing fully back. So I will press shift at the rate 20 less than 0 degrees. Now once my drawing is fully completed, I will press escape key. Now if I will give the dimensions, you can see the dimensions also will be coming same as the previous one. So that will be 40, it will be 30, it will be 15. Dimensions I will show you in a separate tutorial how to give the dimensions. These are the quick dimensions. I will show you in a separate tutorial. So in the next tutorial we will discuss about the rectangle command. If you like the tutorial, please like the video and subscribe the channel if you are new. Until then, take care for the new tutorial.